It sure is getting cold in here. I wonder if my roommate turned the heat down. 70 degrees? So we usually keep it on. 74. That should work. It is freezing in here. 64? I had it set to 74. Should be nice and warm in here by now. I'm gonna give Granite a call. They should help.
Thank you for calling Granite. This is Brian. How can I help you today? I see. So you set your thermostat up to 74 and it's still cold in the apartment? Okay, yeah, we'll have Anna from maintenance over right away to check it out. Thanks for calling and have a great day. Hey Anna, it looks like apartment 803 is having issues with their heat. I'll go ahead and put in a work order.
Say no more. I am on my way. Granite maintenance.
Hello.
Hey, Dan, I'm Anna from Granite Maintenance. I'm here to check the heating in your apartment. I'm here to troubleshoot the issue.
Wow, that was fast. Come on in.
Thank you. So, Ben, you're having issues with the temperature in your apartment?
Yes, it was 70 and cold in here, so I turned it up to 74, but obviously it's still cold.
Aha. Well, I have some really good news for you. This is a really simple fix, and with a little information, you can actually fix this in the future. So let me give you a few thermostat 101 basics.
Okay.
We use both digital and manual thermostats at Granite. A manual thermostat will have a turn dial to set the temperature, and a digital one uses a keypad, which this one is a digital one. Your thermostat has two different settings, heat and cool. Heat is used when you want the apartment to reach a higher temperature. Use this in the winter and keep it above 65 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid frozen water pipes. The cool setting is used when you want to lower the temperature. You would use this setting in the summer, and please keep it below 85 degrees Fahrenheit, for this will help cut down on the humidity in your apartment. Always make sure that your fan is set to auto. Auto means that your fan will automatically start when the temperature needs adjusting. When the thermostat reaches your temperature setting, the system shuts off. This is the most energy efficient option. On means that the fan is constantly blowing, even when your system isn't heating or cooling the air. So keep this setting on auto to help you greatly reduce your energy costs.
Thanks, Anna. So if I want to be cool, I set it to cool, and if I want to be warm, I set it to heat.
Yes, exactly. And Ben, remember, keep the fan on auto. Perfect. See, now you're an expert.
Not as knowledgeable as you, but it's a start. Thanks again, Anna.
Oh, you are absolutely welcome. Another satisfied customer.